All right, guys, this is my review of Ghost chocolate cereal milk vegan protein powder. So this is my go-to. I'm biased because this is the only protein I used. I've been vegan for 18 years. I've tried nearly every different vegan protein powder out there. There have been years at a time where I've tried to convince myself that it was good. The reality is there is nothing compared to Ghost. Ghost is just a good supplement company, and when they do anything, they do it the best. So it's no surprise that they do vegan protein powder, not just a little better than every other brand. They're in a category of their own. Anyone who wants to come at me saying like some of the vegan protein powders are pretty good, like, no, they're not. You're a liar and you've never tried Ghost. Or you're just one of those snooty vegans who doesn't want to use Ghost because they make products that aren't vegan too. Well, if they happen to make the products, if their vegan products they make are better than the vegan companies, it is what it is. So this stuff's super clean. It's mostly protein. You can see right here. I mean, you can see that on the website anyways, but basically you've got 2 grams of fat, 4 grams of net carbs, and then 20 grams of protein. So this fits my bill for being a really solid protein powder. I do 2 scoops after my workout. I already put 1 scoop in, about to do another, but I'll just kind of, that's what it looks like. This company's really awesome for a lot of reasons. Chocolate cereal milk is the best flavor, dude. It is so good. They do brand collabs too. Like they have a Cinnabon flavor that they come out with every now and then. They're in a category of their own. But I will tell you why I like this stuff so much. There's no chalkiness. All vegan protein powders have chalkiness. And you try to convince yourself that they don't. They have the best flavor profile. There's no chunking. Like this stuff shakes up super easy. It's the smoothest, best tasting protein powder I've ever had, vegan or not. What else? They have really nice touches. Like when you open your container for the first time, the scooper is at the top of it, so you don't have to dig your hands in and get them all full of protein powder looking for the scooper. Dude, I look forward to this stuff. So when I'm getting to the end of my workout, to me it tastes like dessert. So when I'm getting to the end of my workout, I can't wait to get my 2 scoops of Ghost chocolate cereal milk vegan protein powder. I sound like a shill for Ghost because I would shill for Ghost on any day. They are way better than in my opinion, they're better than every supplement company, but they're at least better than every vegan protein powder on the market, far and above. There's no contest. If you've not tried it before, you owe it to yourself to at least buy 1 container and give it a shot, because I guarantee once you try this, you can't go back. Their flavor profiles, their smoothness, it's just way too good.